The cool thing about going to a city school like BU is that you have access to a lot of things like the beach. Scotty is currently trying to find a glitch in the time lapse by moving at 30 times slower than normal. It doesn't pick up audio. We got Alex Brown here, Massachusetts native, so
yeah, I've never been to this beach. A little funky, but you know, the beach is a beach.
Kind of interesting.
That's big play.
Oh really? We came in the right year then.
Yeah, you did.
Today was a great beach day. These cars making a lot of noise here. I am here for a reason, which I will get to in a second. I had no idea there was a beach by here, like a real beach. Not like New Jersey beaches, not quite as good, but it was a beach. It was about, I don't know, 5 miles away from campus. We took the T there, and some other guys biked there. But yeah, it wasn't bad getting there. But the reason I'm here is because there actually is a beach on Boston University's campus, or at least they say there is, and it's actually right here. That is the beach, and the cars are the waves. What they say is if you sit on what is supposed to be the sand there, and you close your eyes, the cars make a sound that are similar to waves that make it sound like a beach. I don't know. It's just like random stuff.
You have a YouTube channel?
Yeah, you know.
Oh my
I could
God.
keep it in the DL.
Beautiful day. All the guys, I mean, it was phenomenal.
This is Logan. He's a senior on the team, showing us the ropes. But yeah.
Doing my best. Cheers.